I know, you've seen this viral math problem somewhere. But in this video, I want to discuss quickly why it's crucial to understand the mathematical operations before relying on a calculator blindly. As we all know, that this simple expression, 60 divided by 2 times 3 plus 7, when we use the calculator, we get 300. This is because 60 divided by 2 is 30 and times 10 is 300. However, when we apply the PEMDAS or BODMAS rule, we get a different answer, which is 3. This is because after adding 3 and 7 in the parentheses, we multiply first, which gives 20. Now, 60 divided by 20 is 3. Yes, there is a problem. But do you know where? The calculator operates from left to right, cannot interpret the parentheses accurately unless we defined it perfectly or tell the calculator which operation should be executed first or in what order. This is why the calculator often leads to confusion and incorrect results. Please be careful, or simply do to allow your kids to use it unless they know where the problem can be, and make sure they grasp the fundamental principles of mathematical operations and understand how calculators function. Encourage critical thinking and problem-solving skills to avoid relying solely on technology. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think is the underlying issue with this calculation? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments below. Let's unravel the mysteries of calculators together. And yes, please do not forget to hit like button if you find this video helpful and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.